Hi guys! Hi everyone! How are you guys doing? Welcome to Cape Town with me. I am live, surprise live. Hi! Dad is here with me. So कैसे हैं आप लोग? Yeah, okay, so many people have joined finally. I can tell you guys how I'm feeling. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ के. मैं बहुत सेफली कल आ गई. ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज टू 19 आवर्स ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग. 19 घंटे लगे हम लोग को, मतलब प्रॉपर होटल तक पहुँचने के लिए. 3 फ्लाइट्स हमने ली. मुंबई टू दोहा टू जोहान्सबर्ग एंड वहाँ से केप टाउन. तो मैं पहुँच गई. आज हम लोग बहुत कुछ करे थे. आज हमारे स्टंट्स नहीं थे. आज हमारी छुट्टी है, फर्स्ट डे. इट्स लाइक अ रेस्टिंग डे फॉर अस, ऑल ऑफ अस. हम लोग रेस्ट कर रहे हैं एंड द व्यू इज़ ग्रेट. लेट मी जस्ट शो यू द व्यू बिफोर इट गेट्स डार्क. इट्स 6 हियर, 6 PM एंड आई नो जो भी इंडिया में इट्स, आई थिंक इट्स क्लोज टू 9 और समथिंग. इट्स ऑलरेडी नाइट, बट मेरे लिए अभी भी दिन है. सो यू कैन सी द व्यू. Like in the morning, it's much better because you can see all the clouds. And did you see the pictures? Like the clouds are like so clear. The weather is very nice. यहाँ पे weather बहुत अच्छा है. This is the view. And I'm in the hotel. I'm in my room right now. I thought कि मैं live चली जाऊँ. बहुत दिन से live भी नहीं आई and सबसे बात हो जाएगी. तो मैं बहुत सेफली ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ. यहाँ पे भी हम लोग मास्क और ये सब पहन के सैनिटाइज करना एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. लाइक टुडे देयर वाज अ स्पेशल मीटिंग वेयर दे वर टेलिंग अस हाउ टू बी सेफ एंड हम अपने आप को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम कोविड. सो इवन व्हेन वी आर डूइंग स्टंट्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो इसलिए हाय, 50,000 पीपल आर वॉचिंग. सो हेलो, हाय, व्हाट्स अप गाइस. You guys like the bucket cap? Bucket hat? Thank you so much. Lavender is my favorite color. Oh, there's a swimming pool also down, which is not working. Matlab, we can't go, I think. Not allowed to swim in the hotel. See? It's nice view. Must, like, you get like a very good sunlight in the morning. Nice. Oh, the sky is so pretty there. See? You look adorable in bucket caps. Thank you so much. I want to take some screenshot. Please do some pose. I also should take, no? It's oh my god. Oh, let me show you my Khatron Ke Khiladi mask. I think that'll be fun. Wait. I'm a special, like we all have our special Khatron Ke Khiladi masks. Really nice. So cool. And also saving us from COVID. Thank you, Riaz. Thank you. What's up? See, this is the mask. So cool, right? It's like, yeah. So we are gonna use these masks. So it's gonna be fun.
My internet's explode.
Hello.
Hello.
This is not fair. You have to show yourself. We can't see you, Mr. Riaz Ali. He left because he's not ready. What is this? This is not fair. Oh, it's 9 o'clock there, no? But 9 o'clock, you should have joined. Not fair. But hi. Hello, Robin. Oh, we reached 78,000 people. What's up, guys? Thank you, Serish D. Thank you so much. Thank you for your wishes, all my fans, all my people. Network. Oh, because of the network. No problem, Riaz. It's okay. Hey, Andy One Eye! What's up, Andy? What's up? So long. How are you, buddy? Yeah, 77,000. Yay! So I'm having fun. I'm so happy I'm here because of all your wishes. सबकी blessings है मेरे साथ, सबकी wishes है मेरे साथ, इसलिए I could, I'm here for खतरों के खिलाड़ी. It's really, really a big thing for me. So thank you so much, guys. What is prettiest and why is it Anushka? Oh my god. Hi! What's up, Darsh? What's up? It was so beautiful. It was a very beautiful day today, by the way. Greetings from Cyprus. Wow! That's amazing. Sorry, just stopped for a while. But yeah, it was a beautiful day today. Like the entire weather was good. The entire thing was so good. Entire day was beautiful. Good sunlight. And also the weather here is like, it's not that hot, it's not that cold. In the morning, in the night, it's quite cold. What are you doing? Where are you? So I am in Cape Town, South Africa, for Khatron Ke Khiladi Fear Factor. I'm gonna be here for long, and we all are, and हम सब बहुत excited हैं. I'm obsessed with this look already. Thank you. Are you missing Mumbai? Yeah, absolutely. I miss my mom. I miss Sindra so much. क्योंकि लॉकडाउन की वजह से एंड ऑल्सो क्योंकि मतलब जो भी प्रीवियस प्रोजेक्ट्स में मेरी मॉम मेरे साथ थी, तो अभी यहाँ मम्मा अभी मुंबई में है, तो मैं उन्हें बहुत मिस कर रही हूँ. मेरे फ्रेंड्स ऑफ कोर्स मुंबई को मैं मिस कर रही हूँ ऑब्वियसली, बट यहाँ मैं हूँ एक नई शुरुआत के लिए, खतरों के खिलाड़ी के लिए, तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ यहाँ पे फॉर लाइक बीइंग हियर. इट्स जस्ट I'm very excited. Just don't hurt yourself. Stay safe. Thank you. Yes, I can see your comments saying heist. When is Money Heist coming back, by the way? Just miss it so much. See, now it's like 6:12 here. So like now the sun is like going down. Yeah, so my mask is very cool. It says danger Anushka. Hi, you look so pretty. Thank you. Has it been long you being live? No, I think it's been like 12 minutes or so. Oh, I did it again. That's what I do. But thank you. I'm so excited for KKK. Me too. I'm so thrilled. I'm so pumped, and I'm like very, very excited. For Khatro, because it is one of my favorite shows. I've always watched it, and now I'm here for that. It's surreal. So yeah. Hi, hey, what's up? So yeah, that's the scene. I'm here. Can you see my comment? Yes, Anushka04089. Besties, gonna kill it. Let's go. Thanks, Kish. Thanks, bro. What's up? Miss you so much. Miss you a lot. Anushka, you said you watched Startup. I did. I loved it. I love Startup. And I love Tale of the Night Tale. These are the two Korean web shows that I watched recently, and I loved it. I am enjoying this bucket cap thing, by the way. You're a bubble wrap me. How will I survive that? Now, like, slowly the lights are starting. Like, lights are coming on. And it's like, it's different. It's so nice. The roads are amazing here. I'm liking Cape Town. I'm enjoying Cape Town. I'm sure you're gonna rock it, Anushka. Thank you. Yeah, thank you guys. I have to say, जितना motivate मेरे fans ने मुझे किया है, आप लोगों ने जितना मुझे motivate किया है, it's not even, it's like more than enough for me to motivate myself. Like 15 days back when I was like, oh my god, Khatro Ke Khiladi, and now after 15 days when I'm mentally preparing myself, mentally, getting ready, your motivation, your positive comments, it's just thank you so much for everything you guys do, all the comments, all the edits. I love them. अब यहाँ पे हूँ तो I'm gonna try my best to check edits as much as possible, but it's gonna be tough. But I know you guys understand me so well, so I'm gonna try to stay active on Instagram as much as possible. But let's see. I will try to keep you guys like with me, through the entire journey. I think I'm gonna make a vlog also a little bit. I forgot to vlog yesterday because it was so long, the entire flight, and I just forgot. But no problem. I'm here for a lot of days. So much things to do. So I'm gonna vlog as much as possible. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining in, motivating me today. Show us your outfit. Wait, I'm gonna do that. I actually thought about it and then I forgot. Where is the... Wait, I'm gonna show you my outfit. Yeah, this is my outfit. Hi. Here also you can see my outfit, but it's like not light. It's not much light here, but here it is. Yeah. So thank you. Happy birthday, Shiza. Happy birthday, buddy. It's good light here. Should I stay here? Because it's dark outside now. Best of luck. Thank you. Thank you so much.